What does it mean to protect the skin? I'm Dr. Aramelius, dermatologist and author of No Nonsense Skincare. For a long time, people thought the skin was like a tarp, a covering to protect the body. Now we talk about protecting the skin itself. So, how did we get here? Over the past century, our understanding of the skin as a functioning organ with protective layers has led to changes in how we look at caring for it. Our skin is actively producing oil and sebum to protect itself, so why do we need to do more to protect it? The answer depends on two things. First, what is the skin exposed to? And second, how can those things harm it? For example, even though there are moisturizers made for infants, many infants don't really need them. If babies aren't exposed to things that dry out their skin too much and their basic skincare is pretty solid, there's not always a need to expose infant skin to just more products. Just because a product exists does not mean you're supposed to use it. That said, sometimes our skin does need some added support. During the day, excess UV exposure can damage skin cells and increase the risk of skin cancer. That's when sunscreen or other sun protective behaviors really do matter. We are also learning that the skin has some built-in repair mechanisms. Moisturizers might play a role in protecting the skin so it can focus on repairing itself, often at night. Problems can arise when routine products add in more ingredients to multitask, but lead to some confusion. I've had some patients using anti-aging moisturizers, for example, who can't understand why their skin is dry all the time. Well, you have a moisturizer that might have more ingredients that are opposing this effect. It's like dressing for the weather. You choose a t-shirt or a sweater based on your exposure. You wouldn't wear a sweater full of holes and expect to stay warm. Protection has to actually protect. So where do we go from here? Understand the purpose of this step. Cleanse, correct, protect. If this was helpful, subscribe and stay tuned. Look out for more episodes where we'll break this down even further.